Today's concept is pointers in C. What is pointers in C? The definition of pointer is a pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. Okay. In C programming, when we declare a variable, it actually allocate some space in the heap memory. Okay. Each allocated space has a unique memory address which is used by the compiler to access the values stored in them. With the help of pointers, we can directly work with memory address of variable. So a pointer is used to allocate memory dynamically at runtime. The pointer variable might be belonging to any of the data types such as int, float, char, short, double, anything. See, so as I said, a pointer is a special variable. Okay, pointer is a special variable and it is also called as derived data type. Derived data type. What is the definition of pointer is it holds the it holds the memory address of another variable. Okay, it holds the memory address of another variable. That variable must be of same data type. This is the definition of pointer. Okay, so click here. So for example, if I am declaring as int a is equal to 10, what it means? This a is a normal variable which is of integer data type which is holding the value of 10, right? If I am declaring as a, then this a is holding value 10 and it should be in some memory. Always memory in hexadecimal value. For simple representation, I am writing as a. So this is normal variable declaration, integer. Pointer variable is nothing but declaration of pointer is a data type followed by star and pointer name. This is the pointer name. This is the declaration for pointer. So int star b, if I am giving like this, and this b is called pointer variable. Okay, so if as the definition of pointer, as per the definition of pointer, it holds the memory address of another variable. That another variable must be of same data type. Okay, for example, if I am giving as int a is equal to 10, then my pointer variable is int star p. Then how to connect this is, we know that pointer variable which holds the address of another variable a which is also of same data type. So this is called pointer initialization. Okay. So int a equal to 10, int star p, p is equal to address of it. For example, if I want to print a, value of a, how will give printf percentage d comma a, right? If I give like this, answer will be 10, right? Then if I want the value 10 by means of the variable p, then I should give as printf percentage d comma star p. Okay, this means that star of p. Okay, before this I will tell you, for example, if I am declaring a 1000, right? It is holding some value. Next I declared as int star p, right? So for p, it will allocate some memory. For example, 2000. What this p will hold? This p will hold the address of a, right? So 1000. So now a p is a pointer variable, right? So now if I am printing as printf percentage d comma star p, then it contains star of the value of p is 1000. It means that what is the value that 1000 address will hold will tell this star p. Okay, now we'll get answer as 10. So this star is called as dereference operator. Okay, dereference operator are also called as in indirection operator. Okay, so the star is called as dereference operator or indirection operator, and this address this means reference operator. Okay, this address means the reference operator. So this is the definition of pointer. We'll see it in example. Okay, so just look at this. As include, we'll start with header file as include stdio.h. Okay, right. Next, void main of int e a is equal to 10 is my normal variable, right? And declaring a pointer variable int star b. How to combine this normal variable and pointer variables? Pointer variable will hold the address of a normal variable, right? Pointer variable is b, right? So pointer variable b is equal to address of a. Now I want to printf percentage d comma a. Now we'll get the answer as 10, right? Next I want to print 10 through p. Then we have to give us star of p. This means it holds the value 10. If we want to check the address, then give us printf percentage p comma a. I'm checking the address of a and printf percentage p comma b. Right. Well, okay. Here star b because our pointer variable is b, right? Comma b for by same. If we run this, yeah, here we have missed full course. And for our clarity, we'll give us /n. Then it will be /n is for new line. The output we printed in new line, right? Yes. See, the first one a holds the value 10, right? And second one is we are printing a star b, that is reference of this a, that is value is 10. And next we have printed the address of a, it is some hexadecimal value, and address of b, and it is also some hexadecimal value. Okay, so this is the concept of pointer. So this means pointer will hold the value of, sorry, pointer will hold the memory address of another variable. Okay, so this is a basic definition. This is pointer, declaring how to declare the pointer variable. Data type star ptr of, right? Data type star ptr of. Next, initialization of pointer variable. As we see the example, int a is equal to 10 and int star ptr is pointer declaration. And if you are giving ptr is equal to address of normal variable, this is pointer initialization. These two lines can be combined together in a single line also. Int star ptr equal to address of a. This address, you can see address of the variable, that is normal integer variable. Okay, and this is called as reference operator also. And this is a simple example. This pointer variable, this normal variable, it is having some value 50. If I am printing a star ptr, we will get output as 50, right? Yes. So we have also a concept of chain of pointer, that is pointer to pointer. It is also possible. Okay, so how to access this is, see, see this example I'm given as x is a normal variable, star p1 is a single pointer variable, and star p2 is double pointer. This pointer to pointer is also called as double pointer. If you are using double star, then it is called as double pointer. Okay, for example, normal variable holds the value of 100 and my pointer variable p1 will hold the address of normal variable and p2 will hold the address of first pointer variable. Okay, If I want the value of 100 through P2, we have to give a star star of P2, right? We'll explain it clearly. See, if I am declaring as int A, comma, star P, comma, star star Q, okay. This is normal variable, this is single pointer variable, it is double pointer variable. Now we are looking into a concept called double pointer, right? Double pointer is nothing but pointer to pointer, okay. Okay, see, now if I am giving us a, the value is 10, it is in some memory address 1000. Next, I am having a pointer variable called p, it is in some memory address. Next, I have another variable called q and it is in some memory address. We know that pointer variable which holds the memory address of another normal variable, right? So it holds the address of 1000. This is star star q, this is double pointer, right? It holds the address of another variable. So here it is having 2000. If I want the value 10 to be printed by using star, then we have to give of star of 1000. This is star of p. Then we get the answer as 10. If I want to get the answer 10 through star, means star of q. This means star of, what is the q value? 2000. So star of q, right? Next, what is the star of 2000 having? Star of 1000, right? What is the value inside this 1000 address? Will be 10. So if I give as printf percentage d, okay, percentage d comma a will get us 10. Same as percentage d comma star p will get us 10. Percentage d comma star q then will get us 10. So this is called as double pointer, pointer to pointer variable. So it is also possible to make a pointer to another pointer also for creating a chain of pointer. Okay. So before this, we'll see. See, yes, star b, I am declaring an another variable int star of c. Okay, not star of b. B will hold the address of a, right? Likewise, c will hold the address of what? B. Yes, right. If I want to print answer 10 through C, then we have to give us slash comma star of C. Yeah. Yes, right. So A will having the value 10 and B star B is having value 10 and star C is having the value 10, right? So this is pointer to pointer concept. Now, look at the example. This is pointer expression. So, pointer variable can be used in expressions also. If P1 and P2 are properly declared and initialized pointer, then these statements are valid. See here, just y is equal to star P1 is one pointer variable, star P2 is one pointer variable. Just a multiplying. It is also possible. Next, sum is equal to sum normal variable plus star of P1 is my pointer variable. It is also possible. Next, star P2 is my pointer variable. I am having star P2 plus 10. If this star P2 is having some 10, 10 plus 10, 20. This is also possible. The syntax for pointer expression is data type star pointer is equal to expression.